Hello everyone. Today I'll guide you through the efficient use of Subdomain Finder to uncover hosts. If you find this tutorial valuable, please consider giving it a thumbs up, sharing it, and subscribing for more insightful tech content. Step 1. To begin, head to your mobile app store and download the SSH VPN Creator app. Once downloaded, proceed to install the app on your device. Step 2. After a successful installation, launch the app. You'll find yourself on the home screen, ready to explore its features. Step 3. Locate the hamburger icon at the top left corner and click on it to reveal the app's menu. Now, focus on the Subdomain Finder label. Step 4. Click on Subdomain Finder to continue with our exploration. This feature is a powerful tool for discovering subdomains associated with a specific host. Step 5. Lastly, input a valid host in the provided field. This is a crucial step. Type in the host you want to investigate and let the Subdomain Finder do its magic. Conclusion? As we conclude, remember that tools like Subdomain Finder can significantly boost your understanding of hosts and subdomains, contributing to enhanced network security.